Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing only what you need. Open your project and create an audio mixer, then expose a float parameter named master volume in decibels. Next, add a UI slider to your canvas and configure its range from -80 to 0 with a sensible default like -6 dB. Once done, hook the slider to a simple script that writes values to the exposed parameter. Make sure to use dB space so linear UI values convert correctly, because audio mixing expects dB, not raw linear gain. You now implement the middle logic in a volume controller script that contains set master volume, float dB, and load/save methods. Convert a 0-1 slider to decibels using dB equals 20 * math. Log 10 math. Max value 0.0001F, so the ear perceives changes evenly. Once done, call audio mixer. Set float, master volume, dB, and persist the sliders 0.5 default via player prefs. Make sure to clamp inputs and handle 0 safely, because a literal 0 linear gain would produce negative infinity in dB math. You finish by polishing UX and testing across scenes. Add a mute toggle that stores the previous slider position and writes -80 dB when muted, then restores the value when unmuted. Once done, verify all audio sources route through the mixer group you control, and make sure scene transitions preserve player prefs or use a persistent audio manager. If things go wrong, check the exposed parameter name spelling and that your script references the correct audio mixer asset. Those two issues cause most silent audio bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.